16912 Sims Lane, Unit 210. Beautifully tucked away in a Mediterranean resort setting, only minutes from world-famous Huntington Beach and Main Street. The garden approach and central plaza are captivating. Step inside and you're amazed by the sense of spaciousness, warmth, serenity, and casual elegance. Fireside lounging is enchanting. Formal dining is intimate yet open to the nicely appointed kitchen. The den, opening to a balcony, offers tremendous possibilities. The guest bathroom is convenient to the second bedroom. The master suite enjoys access to a private bathroom. You feel as if you're on holiday as you step outside. And that's the Huntington Beach lifestyle at 16912 Sims Lane.